Okay, good morning everyone. Imagine learning English while scrolling through TikTok or watching YouTube. Sound interesting, right? Okay, before we begin, let me ask you a simple question. How many you use TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Threads? Okay, most of us spend hours on social media for entertainment, but have you ever thought that this platform can also help us improve our English? Okay, so in this presentation, I will explain how social media can become an effective tool for EAF learners, share some practical tips and strategies, and discuss both of benefits and challenges. Okay, today I'd like to talk about using social media to boost ELF learning tips and strategies. Okay, let's start it. Okay, in this slide, explain why social media is useful for learning English as a foreign language. So nowadays, students use social media almost every day. So it becomes a great learning tool, not just for entertain. Okay, for the first one is motivation. Social media interest increase students' motivation because the content is interesting and relevant to their daily lives. Yeah. Okay. For example, watching English video on TikTok or maybe Instagram can motivate students to learn new things, new expression. Okay. For the second one, is provides automatic content. Yeah, student can see here how English is really used by native speakers in daily life. They can learn new words, pronunciation, and common expression naturally. Okay, for the third one, social media encourages interaction. So, student can comment, chat, or join online communication. This gives them more changes to practice English and become more confident. So the next, it helps improve vocabulary and language skill by watching videos, reading captions, writing comments, or listening to podcasts. Students practice English, speaking, reading, writing, and the same time at the same time. Okay, finally, it's accessible anytime. Students can learn whenever they have free time, whenever they want, wherever they want, whether they're at home, on the bus, or maybe or during a break at school. So, in a short, social media makes learning English more interesting practice and easier to do every day. Okay, in this let's show some popular social media platform that can help students learn English. Each platform has its own strength. First, YouTube. YouTube is great for improving listening and pronunciation because some students can watch videos from native speakers. They can also replay the videos if they want, if they don't understanding something. Okay, second, Instagram. Instagram is useful for learning new vocabulary and grammar. Many English learning accounts share some tips, short explanation, and daily expression through posts or reels. Okay, third, TikTok. TikTok often short and engaging English lesson. Many creators explain grammar, um, sorry, Instagram, sorry, yeah. Okay, third, TikTok. TikTok offers short and engaging English lesson. Many creators explain grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and storytelling in less than a minute. Yeah, so learning feels quick and fun. Okay, lastly, Threads. Threads is a good place to practice reading, writing, so students can read posts, reply to others, okay, and share their own ideas in English. This helps them becomes more confident in communicating. Okay, so each platform supporting different language skills. Student can choose the one on first day learning style or even combine them to improve their English more. effectively. Okay, 4 tips for students. Yeah. First, follow and engage. Okay, student should follow English learning account that regularly share useful content. They can also read captions, check the comments, and join English learning communicates. Okay, this helps them see how English is used in every conversation. Okay, for the second, watch and listen. Okay, watching videos in English subtitles in great way to improve learn how new vocabulary. Students can also record themselves, yeah, speaking English. Learning to their own voice helps them notice their pronunciation and become more confident. Okay, finally, build daily habits. Small habits can make a big difference. For example, changing your phone language to English helps you see English words every day. Keeping a vocabulary notebook is also useful because you can write down new words and review them later. So, the key is practice a little every day. With consistent practice, social media can become a simple but powerful for improving English. Okay, now let's look at some strategies that teacher can use to make social media a useful learning tool in the classroom. Okay, first, teacher can create classroom. For example, they can WhatsApp or Discord to share learning material, announcement, and assignments. So it makes it easier for students to ask questions and discuss with their classmates. Okay. The second, teacher can assign creative tasks. Instead of giving only written assignment, student can create short TikTok videos or Instagram reels in English. So, this activity helps them practice speaking while being creative and having fun. Having fun. Okay. Third, teacher should give online feedback. So, teacher can respond to students' posts or video by giving comments and suggestion. Quick feedback helps students know that what they did well and what they need to improve. Okay, so finally, teacher can use YouTube. There are many educational videos that can be used for listener practice, pronunciation, or classroom discussion. Yeah, video also make a lesson more interesting and easier to understand. Overall, social media can make English learning more interactive, creative, engaging when teacher use it in the right way. And the slide show some classroom activities the teacher can use with different social media platform. Each platform offers a different way to practice English. Okay, the first one is Instagram. A student can upload a photo or a write creative caption in English. The activity helps them practice writing, learn new vocabulary, and express their idea. And then TikTok. Student can make a 1 minute storytelling video in English. It is a fun way to practice speaking, pronunciation, and confidence while during a platform they already enjoy. Okay, the third one is YouTube. Teacher can ask students to watch an English video and then read or present a short summary using key vocabulary. So this activity improve listening and comprehension skill. So the last one is by choosing the right activity for each platform, teacher can make English learning more effective, creative, and enjoyable for the student. For example, after learning about holiday, student can post a photo on Instagram and write a caption in English, or they can make a 1 minute TikTok videos, storytelling about their vacation. So this slide shares some best practice for students who want to improve their English through social media. There are simple habits, but they can make a big difference over time. Okay, first is learn consistently. You don't need to study for hours every day. Every spending just is about 15 minutes watching English video, reading posts, or learning new words can help improve little by little. Second, interact with native speaker. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, reply to posts, or join English speaking communication. Okay, the most you communicate, the more confident you'll become. Okay, the third, use English in real situation by using the new vocabulary or expression you've learned in your new posts. Okay, finally, don't be afraid to making mistake. Everyone makes mistake when learning a new language. Okay, the important thing to keep practicing and learn from the mistakes. Social media gives us many opportunities to practice in a relaxed environment. Okay, so the key to improving English is not study hard but practicing consistency. Small daily habits can lead to big improvement over time. Okay, for the last point. So, what is the conclusion? Conclusion, social media is more than just entertain. It can be an effective tool for learning English. When we use wisely, it helps students practice all for language skills, stay motivated, and learn anytime, everywhere. Okay. I have maybe keywords or maybe motivate. Yeah, remember, social media is not only for entertainment. If we use it wisely, it become one of the best tools for learning English. Okay, thank you.